Welcome back to Python tutorial. In this lesson, let us discuss Python keywords, identifiers, and indentation. Keywords are defined as a reserved words used in Python programming language that have special meaning to the compiler. We cannot use keyword as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. They have used to define the syntax and structures in the Python language. Let us import the keyword to print the keywords in the uh, Python. Let us run this false, none, true, pegson, peg pressure, and as, asset, async, await, break, class, and pass, rise, return, try, while, yield. These are the keywords supported by Python. Let us use some of the keywords in Python, is and false. In this example, let us run these lines of code. Is false. We have used a keyword here. And similarly, is and true. Let us use these keywords. Is false. A greater than b is true is false. Let us similarly assign and some values and use the and keyword. Let us run these lines of code is true. And let us also use in keyword. It is also keyword here. Let us find whether the item is present is in the list or not. Let us run the lines of code. True. A list is true. Yeah, it is present. Python identifiers. Identifiers are the name given to the variables or classes, methods, etc. For example, language is equal to Python. Let us run this. We cannot successfully assign. We cannot use the keyword as a variable names or they are reserved names that are inbuilt to the Python. For example, continue is a keyword. The above is a keyword name given to the Python, but it is wrong because it is a keyword. Rules to name identifier. Identifier cannot be keyword. Identifiers are a case sensitive. It can have a sequence of identifiers or letters digits. However, it must begin with a letter or underscore. The list letter of an identifier cannot be digit. It is a convention to start identifiers with letter rather underscore. White spaces are not allowed. We cannot use space symbols like at the rate of hash, dollar, and so on. Things to remember. Python is a case sensitive language. This means the variables and variables are not the same. Always given endpairs names are make sense, while c is equal to 10 is the valid name. Writing code, writing count is equal to 10 would more sense, and it could be easier to figure out what it represents. And when you look back to the code after a long gap, multiple words can be separated using an underscore like this. This underscore is underscore lang variable. Indention. An indentation refers to the space to the beginning of a code or line, where in the other programming language, the indentation in the code is for reliability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Here, let us see some example. We have given some indentation in print here, and also here we given. Let us run this code. Yeah, it is printed. The program is executed, and let us give some indentation here. Space. It is also executed. Indentation in Python is very important in any other programming language, as an indentation in other programming language is only to make the code or script look neat or better. But in Python, indentation is must execute any block of the code or as the interpreter. Notice these four spaces which are used for indentation code and the another language They use floor brackets or braces. If the block of the code or any programs are not properly indented, then the code will be throw an error such as indentation error in Python. This all about Python keywords and words and indentions. Thank you.